Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a really quick makeup routine, and I have several of you guys in mind. Some of you guys wanted to see something like this if you're late for school or work, and I've actually been hanging around some mom friends of mine. Every time I hang out with somebody who has kids, I realize how busy and time-consuming being a mom is, and sometimes you don't have 30 minutes to get ready in the morning. So this is going to be a 5-minute makeup look, maybe under 5 minutes, we'll see how it goes, using 5 products. And this is genuinely what I would recommend to anybody who needs a quick makeup routine in a pinch. So I'm going to be timing myself and we'll do a one take kind of situation. Here is the before and after so you guys can kind of see what we're getting into. Now, when it comes to a 5-minute makeup look with 5 products, that means a lot of things kind of have to be cut out. So I chose my top 5 priorities. If it's you and you would choose something different, keep that in mind and just kind of customize it to what you guys would like. So all these products will be linked down below. And should we get started? I've got the timer on 5 minutes and I'm a little bit nervous, but that's okay. I will say I've already washed my face and applied skincare, so that's everything that I've got on my skin right now. Let's start the timer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I like to use BareMinerals Original Foundation. This is what I recommend to everybody who's busy, because you just, oh my gosh, this is not a good time for the lid to be stuck. But this is seriously what I do. I'll take some in the cap, swirl around my little brush with it. And, oh, someone's texting me, help. Okay, this is where I will just kind of buff it on my face. And to be honest, if I'm really in a rush, I skip concealer and I'll bring this right underneath the eyes. It's not gonna brighten everything like I would normally want it to, you know, but you gotta make some sacrifices, and that is one that I am willing to make. So I'm just buffing and buffing and buffing. We're basically wanting to focus on just like the red areas around the mouth, any blemishes that I might have, but see how quickly that is really evening out my skin tone. Okay. I'm not gonna really talk that much, I feel like, in this video because I'm kind of rushing. Now I'm gonna go into my Thrive Causemetics bronzer with a fluffy brush. This is where I'm gonna add more dimension back to the skin. The great thing about the BareMinerals foundation is it kind of has a radiant finish. So if you don't have time to set it or use highlighter or whatever, this is a great product to use. And then I just like to add color back into the skin, getting it into the hairline a little bit. While I have the bronzer out, you guys know this is one of my favorite tricks of all time. Just popping a little bit on the eyelids. I like to take a little under the eye. You don't have to, but that's just what I like to do personally. Oh my word, what's happening? Oh, this is stressful. Okay, my brow pencil is It Causemetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. This is one of the brow pencils that I can do my brows really quickly with, so I might not talk during this part. Oh heavens. Oh heavens. Oh. Brows are usually what take me the longest, but we don't have that much time. Mascara, I'm going to be using Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Volume Mascara. Help. Oh my gosh. And I'm really not going to go like too crazy with the lashes. Just because I have naturally long lashes. I feel like just a little... Ooh! What in the world? Did you see that piece of hair got stuck? Okay. Ow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got mascara in my contact. Help. 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 Keep checking the time. Oh, heaven, help us all. You guys, I only have 30 seconds left. Oh, my mascara. Oh, my mascara. All right, next I'm gonna take a lip color. This is from Laura Mercier. Take that, and then pop a little bit of that pink onto my cheeks. Bronzer! Bronzer, oh crap, dang it. Oh, that was so stressful, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so maybe I would have chosen a different mascara because that one seemed to be a little crumbly, but that's a pretty natural everyday kind of makeup look. I'm like so stressed still. Okay, and that's literally if you have 5 minutes and only 5 minutes. I feel like if I had a little more time, I would just fix my brows a little bit more. Because I really am going somewhere today, so I just need a little more brow. Another thing I wanted to mention is this look will work with glasses. I know a lot of you guys wear glasses, and when you're going to school or work, or when you're running late, and if you are a glasses wearer or you wear contacts, I usually choose to wear glasses when I'm super late. I don't know what it is, but something about the BareMinerals original foundation around this area really helps to prevent that kind of dent. You can't prevent it completely because there is going to be makeup there, but for some reason with powder foundation, I found that it doesn't leave that creepy mark as bad as my other foundations. If it does at all and I need to take off my glasses for any reason, I will just take them off and pat out the mark with my fingers and then I'm good to go. So that's it, you guys. Those were my top 5 products that I wanted to use in order to create this look. It's obviously not super glam, but it looks a little bit more put together. It's definitely more of a no makeup look, but I added a pink lip color that was matte so that I could transfer it to my cheeks, and it also brings a little bit of life into the face. If you wanted to, you could use something a little more bold, like a more hot pink color. You could just throw in a gloss. It's really up to you guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'm definitely a little bit stressed out filming it, but I know a lot of you seriously only have 5 minutes to get ready, so I hope you found it helpful. Again, all the products are linked down below if you're interested in checking out any of them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by hitting the subscribe button, and if you want to be a part of the notification squad, just click on the bell after you subscribe and you'll be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays when I upload my videos. That's it, you guys. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for always coming back and for being so sweet to me. I love you all more than you will ever know, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye!